In this video, we will show you how to map data into form fields. Before you start AutoFill ID Wizard, you'll need to tell it which columns to fill in. Ensure the cursor is positioned within the column, not outside of it. Right-click the robot symbol located in the bottom right to bring up menu. Select Utility and Training. Please follow the instructions in the dialog box. We take Medical Center Check-in Interface as an example. Now let's map the field. Click the Add button. The first field requires the personal number, which aligns with our system's ID number. The number may be your ID insurance number, depending on the user's choice of entry within the corresponding field. For the next field is Name. Select first name in Data. We complete the corresponding data field training in the following order. Before you save your new profile, click Test All to make sure the information is in the right places. When everything is correct, click the Save button. After clicking OK, the profile will be successfully completed and you can start running it. Select the robot icon in the bottom right corner, right-click, and choose Run AutoFill USDL. Place the ID card on the scanner, and ID data is automatically populated in the fields. You are all set. For more tips and information, visit our website at www.plustek.com.